Hi, it's Reyes here from Infintor Solutions. Employees are considered the most important resource of any organization. For running a successful venture, we have to make sure that our employees are well looked after. Having an efficient payroll management system goes a long way in ensuring that all remuneration of employees are properly handled. Odoo's payroll management system provides a comprehensive and easy to use solution covering all aspects at a reasonable cost. Now let us dive deeper into payroll in our database. For that, we'll go to the payroll. Here we can see all employees in our organization. We are having different views available like Kanban view, which is visible right now, as well as list view. To view detail of an individual employee, we can select the particular employee. Here we can see details like resume, work information, received badges, as well as personal documents that have been attached. We can also access the contract from here itself by clicking on the contract. After opening the contract, we can view details of contract like first contract date, work schedule, HR responsible, as well as contract template that is available in PDF. Under salary information, we can see details of salary including monthly wage, and we can also see allowances if they are applicable. It can be reflected over here like fuel card, meal vouchers, representation fees, etc. We can also keep record of benefits that are provided in kind by just ticking the boolean field. For example, if the person is using company car, we can tick that particular boolean field. Likewise, we can tick all the other boolean fields which are applicable to particular employee. We are also having option to add internet as well as mobile allowance that is paid by the company. On the right hand side, we can see employee cost, which shows budget of a particular employee year-wise as well as month-wise. We can also add detail of eco voucher as well as paid time off. In the personal documents, we can see attached documents of the particular employee. In the attachment of salary, we can add details of amount that has to be deducted from the employee due to various reasons. After confirming that all details of contract are proper, we can save it and then click on the generate simulation link. Here we can send the offer to new employee or the current employee for a new contract by clicking on the send offer. Once the offer has been received by the employee, he can sign the new contract by clicking on the simulation link. Now we'll see about work entries. Work entries plays an important role in deciding salary which we pay to each employee. For that, go to work entries and click on work entries. Work entry plays a crucial role in deciding salary of each employee. Here we can see work entries of different employees. Here we can also observe that some orange tags have been attached to employees, which indicates there is a conflict. It is quite tough to check conflict individually in the work entries. We can see those conflicts by going to work entries and selecting conflicts. Here we can see different conflicts that are available. We can click on the conflict and select accordingly. After selecting it, we can click on save button. After confirming that all conflicts has been cleared, we can now go to work entries and proceed to generate the payslip. For that, we can click on generate payslip. Here we can see work entry, and to validate it, we have to click on the create draft entry, and here we can confirm it by clicking on the OK button. We can view detail of payslip from here itself by clicking on the payslip. Here we can see all generated payslip for the particular month. We can view detail of individual payslip by clicking on the payslip, where we can see details like attendance, that is number of work days, as well as we can see salary computation. Salary computation is done by use of various salary rules for the particular salary structure. We'll discuss that in detail in another video. We can also see other info like the accounting info of payslip name and the salary journal, etc. The payslip of each employee differs as the salary is dependent on various factors like skills, experience, etc. Thus we can see net wage of different employees differs from each other. Now we will discuss about reporting, which is available in our payroll. For that we can go to reporting and select payroll. Here we can see different types of views that are available like dashboard view as well as pivot view, which we can use to download the Excel sheet by clicking on the download button. We are also having a graph view. We can apply different measures and see the graph accordingly. For example, if we click on number of days, we can see according to the days. It can be applied in different views. For example, now here we'll apply according to number of hours. So we can see data accordingly. In this way, we have completed overview of payroll using payroll application of Odoo. If you are having any further queries regarding this video or is looking for an ERP partner for the implementation at your organization, please contact us on www.infinter.com. Thank you.